Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fancy Gaming. We are doing STL files for November 2023. This is part 5. We do D&D STL, Warhammer proxies, anime, and video game figure as well. And if you do enjoy, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. Let's start with this as well. We are going to be doing Beast Area miniatures. These are like Elder Scroll Dark Souls type, what you call miniatures and figures for it. And I am figuring out why this is not loading. My internet's 1 gig. You should be doing it. I'll bash this damn computer apart. Hopefully this will be a lot better now. One of the stuff that was downloaded in the background is done. So we have Beast a miniature. This is like Elder Scrolls and Dark Souls type. If you want like your dark style fantasy for your D&D campaign, this would be perfect for you. And we have crab legs, tentacle monsters, all that stuff. That's actually pretty cool. Different mutation, Eldrazi, not the Eldrazi, Elithic types. You have one that looks just like the ones in the game as well. You have your ventures and stories. You can have them for $1 if you want to test out their miniature. That miniature is pretty good. I would scale them a bit down, and sometimes I got to scale them a bit big. So you might want to double check on your scaling for them as well. Next one is Titan Forge Miniatures. I think it's this one, right? Yep. So we have, looks to be some type of orc troll thing. And these are like, D&D and also Age of Sigmar style as well. That's a big ass 8 wearing a Triceratops skull. Don't know how this one is. Ogres. Oh, these are all ogres. I see. Okay, yeah. This one looks like Big Daddy from Bioshock. That's kind of cool. So you have ogres in your campaign if you're interested on doing ogres and something like that as well. I don't know why they're wearing a mining head thing. Oh, there's one that's big enough for them. It just looks really weird. And you have your graders. Your monks. Dwarven monk. Thiefling rogue. Or you can change a fighter as well. Forgot his name. Krills. And your little stand cages. And your bases. Next one is Mimic Factory. This is D&D style for it. Miniatures. So we have a lot of different types of dragons and dragon riders. And looks like we have Dragonborns as well for this print. I have a lot of Dragonborns. Baby dragon hatchling. Dragon riders. I think these are different types of land dragons. Dragonborn don't have tails, but you can make them have tails in your game if you really want. But yeah, but these prints are very good too. I tested some of their welcome packs, and they're very good looking ones as well. Next one. With that. Okay, WAD Studio. You got the Oracle. Looks like this is a figure. This is like Time Machine figure. That looks pretty actually pretty good. But I am not a master painter for it. Nutshell Atir, another figure as well. The Succubus. That is actually a pretty good looking Succubus right there. Oh, wrong one. I think that'll be it for, yeah, vampire one too with the bats. Female vampire. Luffman Studio, another figure as well. We have the elves. The elf of the Dream Dragon from what do you call that in World of Warcraft? They do a lot of World of Warcraft stuff. So, and it looks like you got Matharoth, another a demon from World of Warcraft. The Maker's Cult is a Warhammer proxies. If you're interested for it, I never really got any of these because I don't do much for the Imperials. They're cool to a point, but I like my Tyranids and my Chaos gods. And there's civilians and everything else you can have in your little terrain. Have like a point system for it. Clay Beast Creation, they do a lot of Age of Sigmar stuff, especially the skinks. That's December, November. We have a lot of lizard folks and on dinosaurs as well. So if you're into Age of Sigmars and stuff, this probably good if you use the lizard faction. Stefan Sculpt, another figure for it. It looks like Supergirl hitchhiking. And Living Dead. I think they have more than one, just letting you know. Blue Wyvern, another Age of Sigmar. And these are another Skeks. As well, they're in Black Friday sales. 40% off. No, I don't want that. For it. So a lot more skinks for your game. Let's see. The next one is Sin 3D Studio anime figure. Gravity Rush Cat's Color. I think that's the only one. And we'll have this one from Stellizer for it. Next one is Raven Eye. We got Bowser Kirby. And we got Bowser from the actual movie thing. I did not like the Super Mario movie. I'm sorry. It wasn't that great. It's for kids, not really much for adults. Maybe my wife just stopped halfway through it. So we are doing G Sculpt art. Another figure as well. I forgot where this thing came from. It's been I think it's from a movie. Oh, this is a Predator, I think. No, it's not a Predator. Modern take on Beauty and the Beast. Oh, God. Oh, God. That looks like Emma Stone right there. Gonna get tentacles all over. Nelson. Another figure. We're going to get Psylocke. We got no updates on that lately. Mega Project figures. Looks like I got Sora. Parts of Sora. There's Sora. So we're getting Sora, looks like it. And Exodia. I don't mind having Exodia in the D&D game. You fight this. You're all dead. Legion. Looks like there's nothing posted from Legion. Let's see here. Nation, Rodera, 3D Studio. Elsa Xmas model. Exclusive will be Elsa Xmas. So it looks like we're getting Elsa in a little sexy Christmas outfit. Rodan Studio. We're getting Trucks and Okiji. Dragon Ball and One Piece. The last one was Burdock Bust. That's like Goku's dad, isn't it? That's actually pretty cool. CG Pyra Digital Artist, I think. Grifter. Oh my god, I haven't seen him. That kind. I used to have an actual big action figure doll of him when I was a kid. Wildcats. I never actually watched or read any of his comics for it. So we're getting Wildcats. I think this is the last one. Xmas 3D, unless this is a very small one. We're getting November, Sonya, Mortal Kombat, Alien, and then Alien versus Predator. Sonya, okay, I think one more will be fine. 3D printing realms, another figure. Snake Bust, and Rosie and her blades. Intruder STL available Patreon. It looks like a Loki, female Loki one. Dragon, chibi dragon ones. Yeah, see. Well, anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord down bottom. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great day. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.